The iDEX initiative launches the ADITI Challenge, seeking proposals for a two-man tactical aerial vehicle tailored for high-altitude operations. This eVTOL aircraft promises enhanced strategic flexibility, logistical infrastructure revolution, and resilience in supply chains, particularly in remote areas. Indian innovator CJ Varghese earns another patent for his latest creation, a hand-portable Kamikaze drone. Resembling a smart grenade, this device offers infantrymen enhanced battlefield capabilities with its compact design, foldable features, and strategic engagement approach. Equipped with quad propellers and a camera system, it revolutionizes ground-based warfare with agility and precision. The Indian Navy inaugurates INS Jatayu on Minicoy Island, enhancing strategic presence in Lakshadweep. Equipped with advanced facilities and BrahMos missiles, it bolsters territorial defense amid rising regional tensions. Response to China's naval activities underscores commitment to maritime security and regional stability. Japan is exploring the export of its unicorn communication antennas to India. Developed by NEC and Yokohama Rubber, the antennas feature a unique design, enhancing stealth and radio wave detection capabilities. This potential deal reflects a growing strategic partnership between Japan and India in defense technology. ISRO to conduct second RLV-LEX mission before March 16th, building on April 2023 success, demonstrates autonomous landing capabilities post-high-speed unmanned re-entry from space, aims to refine reusable launch vehicle tech for cost-effective, sustainable launch system.